Today I was telling about how to use threads from Instagram to auto caption videos. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here uh, uh, before that we need to go to Play Store and download the Threads app. I was going to Play Store and I was downloading the Threads app, and after downloading you need to link your Instagram to Facebook Threads app account. So I was linked that. After that I was going to my Instagram account and here I was clicking on place option. In here I have the one Instagram post. I was clicking on the next option.
In the heart of
After
India,
that,
nestled
we need
along
to
the
click on
serpentine curves of the Yamuna
the
River,
option.
there's
And
a
instead of
village
option,
steeped
here
in
I was
tales of
clicking on
enchantment
caption,
and mischief.
and it was landscape in the video. Here you can see that the auto captions was connected. It was completed the auto captions. I was clicking on done, and I was taking the font like this. And here I was clicking on done. So and here I was clicking on next option, or otherwise I was clicking this. I was taking this video to download. After completing the processing, I was coming back to Threads app, and here I was clicking on Threads apps. So here we have the option of to send a Threads video, and here with I have an option of gallery. I was clicking on that. So here I was taking the video. For that I was selecting the video on the Threads, and here I was sharing the Instagram account. And here I was adding. I was clicking on done, and here I was sharing the post. Now we can I was sharing the post using the Threads. Thank you.